My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Revenge of Heisenberg. Revenge of Heisenberg is a ransomware. It attacks many Windows computers. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Revenge of Heisenberg ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. As a result, the files get damaged and encrypted by this horrible ransomware type infection. Basically, this ransomware tries to force victims into paying the ransom. This is exactly what the ransom note tells the victims. It eventually tells them to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. So here is the ransom note, and it says it is titled as Revenge of Heisenberg 2.0. The ransomware changes the desktop background and it appends the random force symbol extension to the file names. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start thoroughly investigating your system to detect and remove all other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.